Hi guys, and welcome back to Devoted Disney Down Under. Now I'm here with Andrew.
Hello.
And we have another Wandavision hobby box to open. I received this for Christmas from Andrew. Super stoked with this. I've only opened up one of these. And it's one of my favourite shows. And I'd like to finish the set. And I'd really love to pull an autograph.
I've got a couple of blasters.
Yep, you have, but this is the only hobby box I've done. And they're really hard to find now, and when you do find them, they are quite pricey.
Yeah, that's right.
Definitely not like the deals on Cherry.
No.
So, yeah, we've got autographs, there's sketch cards.
One a case. Yep. It'd be nice if we can get one of those.
Sword cards, there's film cells. I'd really like that. It'd be a really great Christmas present to get that.
Unless hopefully you get something.
Yes, hopefully.
Nice Evan Peters or something.
So this is what I received as one of my presents. Andrew has received a whole stack of trading cards from everybody. So there'll be a lot of new boxes. Boxes we have not opened, like What If, Moon Knight, She-Hulk. And he opened up a Hawkeye on Christmas Day.
Very good. Very good
Go back
product.
and watch that, guys. Got some really good cards in that. Anyway, let's crack open this. No time like the present to see if I can get...
I think when it's time to get a new knife, that's one.
I think we've got another one, just...
Yeah, and I can see it right now.
Yeah, yeah, this one's not doing much, but the claws come in handy, so... Score your nails on, Andrew. You won't have any problems.
Yeah, I thought about it.
Pink's not your colour?
No.
So we've got 15 packets.
So we're after printing plates 101, black and white to 25, white vision to 99. There's plenty of parallels to be had. So let's hope we get a bit of luck.
Okay. It's just a base. Won't show the base too slowly because we have seen them before. And we are an unusual couple.
We are an unusual couple.
And a red parallel. Oh, Vision. I love how they shine and shimmer and so cool.
We are an unusual copy, a 1 and 2. So, couple. Couple, yeah. Can't talk. Been up too long.
Well, I'd like his autograph.
Evan Peters.
That'd be so cool. Shoot, I mean, I wouldn't say no to any autographs, but... Ooh, Suburban Synthezoid.
Suburban Synthezoid.
And a purple shiny parallel. Ooh.
One in 17.
Are we meant to get numbered? Yeah, I don't
You should get
remember.
a numbered card, yes.
Okay. Base. Have we got the base set to this?
No.
No, so this will be good for hopefully filling in. And we've got a green.
Green, which is number 2.
Well, it's numbered to 225.
Okay, that's probably the longest odds.
And a red.
Yeah. Yeah. As comes numbered, that's probably the worst one.
Okay, well, can't win them all.
No.
Oh, film cell.
Oh, this will be interesting.
Got
What
one
number is it?
coming, and we have 1980. And then it's got a number 2.
Yeah, so that's 1 in 60. That's not one. So once you get to the 90s and that 2000s, they become higher.
This is cool. This is a cool decade.
Very cool decade.
I'll just put that there. We are an unusual couple.
You already got one of them, haven't you?
Yep.
Yeah, so they're 1 and 2. You should get plenty of them.
And a red parallel. I think I've got one of them sword cards coming. Got a couple of those. Don't know if we've got vision.
Sword profiles?
Yeah.
1 in 10. So yeah, they're going to get 1 or 2.
That's red. Like I said, we haven't finished even the base set of this, so hopefully we can fill in some gaps. We are an unusual couple.
1 and 2.
And a purple. Hey, that's the same one as we got in the green.
Oh, cool.
Matching. Might just put the green.
Do you want it sleeved up?
I just don't like how they're so bunched up. Wanda is one of my favourite. Well, she's my favourite Marvel female, I'll say. So, be really happy to finish this set.
The Scarlet Witch.
Yeah, welcome to Westview.
Welcome to Westview.
Oh, we're getting a lot of the same character. Captain Rambo.
Welcome to Westview. 1 in 3.3 hobbies, so you should get 4 or 5 of those.
We are an unusual couple. And purple parallel. Got 6 packets left.
Hopefully it's something nice.
Nothing huge or anything.
Nothing
just
yet.
The
No.
one. We got the film cell and the one numbered.
Yeah.
Definitely not like our
Yeah, the other one.
the other box.
Hawkeye.
We are an unusual couple. And red parallel. It's funny how some boxes you get heaps of hits.
Yeah, and some.
And others you just don't get much.
No.
This seems to be a
Yeah.
box that you don't get very much. Welcome to Westview.
You got 2 of those.
And red parallel. 4 packets to go.
Chances of running out.
We have pulled all those in the last
True.
packet. Oh, baby. Agatha all along. I don't think we have one of these.
Agatha all along. Check what that's. Oh, Agatha all along. That is 1 in 6 boxes.
Okay, so that's
Quite
good.
a big hit.
Nice card with all the purple.
That'll be your hit of the box.
Purple parallel. It's a card we've not had. We don't have any like that from the set, so that's good. It's funny how some of these packets are also hard to open. Like the Thor, Love and Thunder ones, they're like really flimsy. They just like shred in your hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. We are an unusual couple. And purple. 2 packets.
Now you've got the Agatha all along. That's your hit.
Yeah.
That's a big hit. But not the hit you wanted, right?
I love autos.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, I like that card. That's cool. Got to set up my Wanda Hot Toy.
Yes.
We are an unusual couple. So many of these cards.
Yeah, they're 1 and 2.
And Purple Parallel. Okay, final pack. Like I said, not expecting much. But still happy if we can finish off the set. At least the base set would be good.
Yeah.
Obviously, parallels and that are pretty much hard. Welcome to Westview. And red parallel.
There you have it.
So, obviously, not the big hits I look for, but still happy with the Agatha card because, like I said, we don't have any of that type. 1 in 6 hobby boxes,
Yeah,
you said?
1 in 180 packets.
So, that's a nice
1 in 6
card. It's a
boxes.
good hit.
2 per case.
Got our film cell, and we did get a numbered card, which was quite good. So thanks for watching, guys. We've got heaps more videos to come, but until next time,
Happy collecting and bye for now.